Hello and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to talk about a piece of software that is so common, so basic, you've probably looked right past it 1,000 times. We're talking about the humble, but, as you'll see, surprisingly powerful Notepad.
You know the drill, right? You copy some text from a website or a PDF, you paste it somewhere else, and it's a total disaster. You've got weird fonts, random sizes, strange colors, broken links. It's a frustration we've all felt.
But what if I told you that the ultimate weapon against all that formatting chaos has been hiding in plain sight this whole time? It's pre-installed on pretty much every Windows PC out there. Yep, it's good old Notepad, and that's what we're going to explore. Think of Notepad as this quiet, unsung hero living on your desktop. It's not flashy, it doesn't have a million buttons, but the one thing it's built to do, it does perfectly. See, the entire world of Notepad, its secret sauce, is something called plain text. What is that? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's just the characters, the raw information with absolutely zero formatting. No bold, no italics, no special fonts. It's pure, unfiltered content. And that, right there, is the source of all its power. So let's look at how this one core idea, its total simplicity, makes it such a killer tool. Because what most people would see as Notepad's biggest weakness, its lack of features, is actually its greatest and most powerful strength. Let's break down what I like to call its superpowers. First, it is ridiculously lightweight and fast. It opens instantly. You get a totally clean, distraction-free window. Its main mission in life is to be the ultimate format stripper. You paste that messy text in here, and poof, it's perfectly clean. But it's not totally basic. You still have essentials like find and replace and word wrap. Plus, here's a neat little trick. Press the F5 key, and it instantly drops in the current time and date. And this all gets saved as a simple .txt file. You should think of the .text file as the universal language of text. Seriously, a file you create on your PC today can be opened on a Mac, on a Linux machine, on your phone, on pretty much any device, now or 10 years from now, with zero issues. It's simple and it's built to last.
Okay, but Notepad isn't just for cleaning up text and jotting down quick notes. It actually has a secret life. If you know how to use it, it can be an agent of pure efficiency, handling some surprisingly advanced missions.
So, its first secret mission? It's the perfect coder's launchpad. Because Notepad only deals in pure, plain text, it's the perfect clean slate for anyone learning to code. There are no hidden formatting codes that can sneak in and break your script. It's just a pure, simple environment for writing your first lines of HTML, Python, or anything else.
Next up, it can be your personal automation agent. You can use Notepad to write simple scripts, and you just save the file with a .bat extension instead of .txt. These little batch files can automate repetitive tasks for you in Windows, like backing up a specific folder or opening 3 programs you always use at the same time with just one click. It's a gateway to automation.
And its final secret mission? The system configurator. A lot of the applications on your computer use plain text files, things like .ini or .cfg files to store their settings. Now, if you try to edit these in a word processor, it can add junk data and corrupt the file. But Notepad? It edits them cleanly and safely, letting you directly tweak how your apps work without breaking them.
So this all brings up a really important question. With all the different options out there, when should you actually call on Notepad? Let's make its role super clear by putting it head-to-head with some other tools.
This little chart really makes it click, doesn't it? If you need to create a polished resume or a report with images and fancy layouts, you need Microsoft Word, no question. If you're doing serious professional coding and need features like syntax highlighting, you'll want a dedicated code editor like Notepad++. But when your mission is simple, when all you need is to strip formatting, jot a quick note, or edit a simple config file, Notepad is the undisputed champion. It's the fastest, simplest, and best tool for that specific job.
Okay, so if you're not already a convert, you probably are now. You're ready to summon this desktop hero for your next task. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to call into action.
The standard way is exactly what you think it is. You just click your Start menu, start typing Notepad, and boom, you hit Enter when it pops up. Simple, effective,
Gets the job done every time.
But for those of you who want to move a little faster, here are the pro tips. My personal favorite is the run command. Just press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This little box pops up, you type Notepad and hit enter. It's the absolute fastest way to get a clean slate for your text or thoughts.
So as we wrap this up, if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this. In a world of bloated software that tries to do everything all at once, Notepad's power comes from what it doesn't do. Its strength isn't in a long list of features. Its strength is its beautiful, focused simplicity. It's a master of one thing, plain text, and it does that one thing perfectly.
And that leaves me with a final thought for you. The next time you need to solve a computer problem, maybe the answer isn't to download the biggest, most complex program. Maybe the simple, focused hero you need is already there, waiting. So what other hidden heroes are just sitting on your computer right now?